Imagine a time long, long ago, even before the dinosaurs. This was the pre-Cambrian era, a time when Earth was young and restless. Volcanoes erupted, spewing molten rock. The air was thick with strange gases. This is where India's story begins, as a small piece of land emerged from a fiery ocean of magma. Over millions of years, this landmass cooled and solidified. It was a harsh and unforgiving world with no plants or animals, just rocks and water. Yet, hidden within this barren landscape, something incredible was happening. Deep within the ancient oceans, the very first sparks of life were beginning to flicker. These were simple, single-celled organisms, unlike anything alive today. They were the pioneers of life, paving the way for the incredible diversity that would follow. This ancient landmass, the very foundation of India, held the secrets of life's earliest beginnings. Our planet's surface is a giant jigsaw puzzle with massive plates that constantly shift and move. This is plate tectonics. India, once a small piece, was on the move. It was part of a supercontinent called Rodinia, a vast landmass that eventually broke apart. Millions of years later, India found itself joining another supercontinent called Gondwana. This massive landmass slowly drifted northward, pushing India closer and closer to Asia. The pressure between these two gigantic continents was immense. The Earth's crust buckled, folded, and was forced upwards, creating the towering Himalayan mountain range, the highest on Earth. These mountains, born from the collision of continents, continue to grow even today. They stand as a testament to the incredible power of plate tectonics that shaped the Indian subcontinent. As India drifted northwards, life in its oceans was flourishing. The Paleozoic era saw an explosion of marine creatures. Trilobites with their segmented bodies and compound eyes scuttled along the seabed. Strange and beautiful creatures like ammonites with their spiral shells swam through the waters. Then came the Mesozoic era, the age of the dinosaurs. Giant reptiles roamed the land. Some, like the long-necked sauropods, were herbivores, peacefully munching on plants. Others, like the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, were fierce predators. During this time, small, furry creatures, the early mammals, also began to appear. They lived alongside the dinosaurs, mostly unseen. Little did they know that they would one day inherit the Earth. The land that is now India witnessed the rise and fall of these incredible creatures, preserving their remains as fossils for us to discover. The Earth's climate has always been changing. India, during its long journey, experienced it all, from extreme heat to freezing ice ages. These changes had a profound impact on the land and its inhabitants. Great rivers like the Indus and the Ganges began to flow, carving out valleys and plains. These rivers became lifelines, providing water and fertile soil. Lush forests grew, teeming with life. Different ecosystems developed, from dense jungles to dry grasslands, each with its own unique plants and animals. As the climate changed, so did the animals. Some adapted while others died out. This constant cycle of change and adaptation is the driving force of evolution, shaping the incredible diversity of life we see today. The foundations for the rich biodiversity of the Indian subcontinent were laid during these times of dramatic environmental transformations.